Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a password on page in Squarespace. So simply in order to do this, just as you can see I have 5 pages here. So simply now on the left side you can see the pages option. Simply click here and now here select the page that you want to put a password on it. So simply I have select this one. After that click on this icon. Simply I collect this. Now here you can see new pop-up is appear. Now I want to set the password. So simply as you can see add a password option is here. So simply just you have to type the password and after that just when you set a password here simply you have to click on the save option. So now as you can see our password is set on this page. So simply now if you want to do any activity on this page simply you have to put a password on this page and after that you will be able to do any activity on this page. So in this way you can easily add a password in page in Squarespace.